Meaning of finish line.
Finish line.
Finish line.
Finish line.
Finish line. The finish line is a term used in racing to refer to the point at which the race ends and the winner is determined. It is usually a physical line marked on the track or road that the competitors must cross in order to complete the race. Crossing the finish line first means that the competitor has successfully completed the race and achieved their goal of winning. The finish line represents the end of a journey, and the achievement of a goal or objective through perseverance and hard work.